Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Saily eSIM. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, again, maybe you've missed it. You can go ahead and scroll down in the description or pinned comments. Just click on one link and then you'll be landed to the same exact page. So what you'll do basically in here is just go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you find get a phone number from Saily. So go ahead and click on learn more. If it's allowed, once it loads, go ahead and click on device compatibility first. Okay, click on it and then look for your device. For example, you have an iPhone, maybe 11. All right, 11 right here is supported, as well as 11 Pro up to 17 Pro Max. All right, so if you have that phone, well, you're good to go. If you have Samsung devices as well, you have it in here listed. You can just go ahead and find it right here. So once your phone is available, get a phone number right here. And then you can add in some calls and text if you want to. If not, just click on no thanks if you just want to get the phone number. And then you'll be given a small amount of gigs for data use. Now, first up, you need to go ahead and click on sign in right here or sign up. Okay. If you don't have an account yet, it will just ask you to create an account right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Google and select one of my Google accounts. Wait for it to log in. And then once done, I'm going to go ahead and select the payment method right here. You should go ahead and do so as well. So for example, you have PayPal. I'm just going to click on it. And then I'm just going to ask you to log in with your PayPal account. Say, for example, if you've used credit or debit card, all you got to do is just enter your card details. All right. So depending on how you set up your PayPal account, there'll be some verification process. So just go ahead and follow simple prompts. Wait a bit. And after that, all you got to do is just click on agree and pay now. And it's now confirming our order. In the next page, it will just ask you to scan a QR code by using your phone. And then once that's done, just install the app and your number is now tied to your specific email. And that is it. That's how simple it is to buy a Saily eSIM. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.